So it's noon, 12:30? Oh, okay. 12:30. Well, I'm still in a different time zone, kind of, so I'm on the mountain time. Well, I guess it's still not that early there either. Oh well. I guess it's just, I'm morning voice. My voice doesn't really wake up until like 3 or something. But anyway, I guess it's time for another song for you guys. This is one of the new songs from this album. From the new album, actually. Yeah, I have a new album out. It came out last week, so pretty exciting stuff. And it's called The Other Side of Down. Oh, yeah. And it was fun to do. So I hope those who have heard it, I hope you guys enjoy it, or enjoying it. Thank you. And if you haven't heard it yet, I hope that you will enjoy it. So it was fun. I was able to do a lot more writing this time on 10 of the 12 songs. So there's a lot more me this time. But anyway, this is a song called Something About Love. Every night it's all the same. You're frozen by the phone, you wait, something's changed. You blame yourself every day, you do it again. Every night there's something about love that breaks our heart. Whoa, it sets you free. There's something about love that tears you up. Whoa, you still believe when the world falls down like rain. It'll bring you to your knees. Something about love that breaks your heart. Whoa, but don't give up. There's something about love. Oh, when you were young, scared in the night, waiting for love to come along and make it right. Your day will come, the past is gone, so take your time. Live and let it live. There's something about love that breaks your heart. Whoa, it sets you free. There's something about love that tears you up. Whoa, you still believe when the world falls down like rain. It'll bring you to your knees. Something about love that breaks your heart. Whoa, but don't give up. There's something about love. Don't fight, don't hide those stars in your eyes. Let them shine tonight. Let them shine tonight. Hang on, hanging for the ride of your life. It's gonna be alright. Hold on tight. There's something about love that breaks our heart. Whoa.